Alright viewers, I'm doing a little experimenting with my GoPro today. I noticed yesterday when I was videoing grass cutting, a lot of times my camera's been kicking out, something wrong with the software. And the stabilization seemed awful jumpy. So I factory reset the GoPro. And I've changed all the settings back to where I think it's working better. I don't know, so I'm just playing with it. So I'm out on the porch making just a temporary little vlog type video. 88 degrees. You can see I got a lot of grass cut yesterday. Today I'm recording with my GoPro attached to my head strap. Anyway, my GoPro's been a good one. I guess it makes sense that occasionally you have to do the factory reset. Anyway, that's what we're giving it a whirl. I like to keep this GoPro going if I can. Got the resolution set on 1080. Says you can do 4K, but I don't know any 4K. It's my computer or my TV are not 4K. How the heck am I going to watch it in UK 4K? Anyway, call me a little bit uneducated when it comes to setting my camera up. We'll make a little short vlog to see if it looks any better. Now I can't really demonstrate the stabilization unless I jerk the camera around a little bit. I guess I could do that. I'll shake my head. I'm sure that messed up the picture pretty good. But yesterday on the lawnmower, it was just bouncing and stabilization wasn't acting worth a darn. That's the reason I bought this GoPro, was the video stabilization. It makes all the difference in the world. If you got a cheap video camera and it shows it real jumpy, you want a camera that's got stabilization on it. And when GoPro came out with this Hero 7 Black, that's the first year they had it, and I've been using it ever since. I'm hoping I got the stabilization fixed by factory resetting it. We'll find out next time I do a yard cutting video. I feel like this factory reset has made some improvements in the way the camera performs. We'll see you next time I do a video.